In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price and score calculations to your Typeform. This process is quite straightforward and should take just around 5 minutes. Whether you're using Typeform to gather customer feedback, run surveys, or any other purposes where price and score calculations are needed, having the ability to compute these values on the fly can significantly enhance your form's functionality. Let's get started by opening your internet browser and heading to the Typeform website, which you can find at www.typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, glance up to the top right corner. That's where you'll see the Login button. Give that a click. Now you'll be taken to a login page. Here you have some options. You can log in using your email address, or you can choose to log in through your Google or Microsoft account if you've connected one of those options in the past. Just enter your credentials and click the login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the typeform you want to work on. Navigate to your list of typeforms and open the one where you aim to add these calculations. With your typeform open, look for the Logic tab. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to add logical conditions and calculations to your form. Now, let's add some logic to your form. Find the option that says Add Logic, and once that expands, choose Branching. This feature allows you to craft dynamic paths by using rules based on user answers. Click on plus Add Rule. This is where you set up a new calculation for a specific question in your type form. Next, it's important to define a condition. Choose If to set this. For example, you can specify conditions like if a particular answer is selected. Once you've defined your condition, it's time to set up the calculations. Select the Add option from the calculation choices and enter the precise price or score value you want to attribute to that specific answer. You'll then need to decide and specify which variable this value should be added to. Your options here typically would be either price or score, depending on what you're measuring. To ensure all aspects of your form are dynamic and responsive to user input, you'll need to repeat this process for each question where you want to incorporate price or score calculations. Once you're confident that all necessary logic and conditions have been correctly set, it's time to save your work. Simply click on the Save button and all your newly configured settings will be preserved. That's it. You've successfully added price and score calculations to your Typeform. With these calculations in place, your form is now equipped to deliver more personalized and informative results to your respondents. Thanks for tuning in and happy form building.